Hello friends, welcome. In today's tutorial we are going to see how we can build a 3D roadmap slide. You can see a slide which I am projecting here. It has a stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are different stages in the roadmap. And then at the end we have certain goal to achieve, and you can add your messages here relevant to each stage, and then at the end you can conclude your slide over here. So we'll build a slide step by step, and we can build this slide even in less than 10 minutes. So let's start. I'm going to start with a blank slide. I have kept few color legend here to use, and then I have kept few icons here. You can use the icons which are freely available in Google. I have kept some of them for my use. So let's start. I am going to go insert shapes, rectangle, and then I'm going to say shape outline, no outline, and I'm going to use a effect 3D rotation, this one, and then I'm going to choose shape effect variable and this one. Now I'm going to rotate this, so let's rotate this to 16. Alright, and now let me expand this further a little bit more. Okay, good enough. Now I'm gonna copy this, so do Control D and just put it here, and then I'm going to go shape effect again and choose this icon, and then I'm going to squeeze the size this much. Let's keep it here. Let's increase the length a little bit more. Okay, I'm just adjusting it. Let me adjust this. Okay, now I'm going to change the color for this. Go here, shape fill. I'm going to choose this color, and I'm going to choose a color, this one, and now I'm going to group them. So just select both of them and do Control G so I can group them, and now I'm going to do a Control D after this. So just do a Control D, and you can see now we are building a roadmap here. Then do a Control D, Control D, and Control D. So I'm going to make a 5-stage process, so I have copied it 5 times. If you want to make a 6-stage, 7-stage process, you can copy it as many times you want. And then let me remove this one from here. I'm going to choose a color for this one. I'm going to use this color. This is okay. I'm going to change the color for this one to, let's say, this. For this one I'm going to choose a different color, let's say this one. For this I'm going to use a different color. Let me choose a different color. Okay, this is, and for this I can choose a green color. Okay, this is good. Now as I said, we can add more stages here, as many stages we want, and we can adjust the size accordingly. So now let me add some sequencing here. So insert a text box, let's say 01. I'm going to change this to agency FB, increase the size, do a Control B and put it here. Going to choose a font color is white, and then I'm just going to copy all these one after another so that we can add some sequencing here. Okay, so now let me do 2 and then 3, 5. So and now I'm going to use these icons here, so let me keep these icons here. Let me first select all of them and do bring to front. Now I can use them. Let me keep it here. Okay, alright, and then we are reaching here, so and then I can keep my flag here. Okay, Now I don't need these color legends, so I'm going to remove them from here, and I'm going to select all and move them towards the right. Okay, now I'm going to add a title to this slide, roadmap slide. Let me choose a font as Century Gothic, increase the size, choose blue color here. Alright, now let me do a slideshow. So our roadmap is ready. Now I can add a relevant message here. So just go here, enter your text box here, enter your text here. So I'm going to use a Century Gothic here, and then you can just copy it here, and then just copy against each and every stage, and you can enter your text here. Let me do a little bit alignment here. Okay, now what we can do additionally, we can change the color of this to the same color as we have here. Okay, and now I can choose the same color as this. Okay, even I can do Control B and bold them. Now I'm going to insert a rectangle at the bottom and just do a shape outline, no outline, do a shape fill of this color, and then let me just copy a message from here and put it here. Alright, so now my slide is ready. I can just change the background color here if I want. So just choose this one, and then you can use let's say this color. Now my background is changed. You can even use this color. This looks much better. So let me do a slideshow. So you can see we have built a roadmap here. I can squeeze the size a little bit here for this rectangle and put this text back at the bottom. Okay, good enough. So you can see in the slideshow we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stage process. You can add the message here, and then you can conclude the slide at the bottom. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has given you a good insight how we can build a 3D roadmap even in less than 10 minutes. Thank you.